Okay, now that you know what ChatGPT is and its main features, let's dive into some more details. So first up, we have Chat. Now this is where things get really interesting because ChatGPT isn't just your typical Q&A tool. You can think of it as a super smart friend who knows a ton and is great at explaining things. So if you ever have a question, just ask away. Like what is quantum physics or how do I fix a leaky faucet? The ChatGPT will give you a detailed explanation. Plus, it can remember what you talked about before so you can have a full-on conversation. Here's an example. Let's say I need help understanding fractions. Instead of just giving me the answer, Chat actually breaks it down step by step, explaining each part in simple terms. And if I have more questions about a specific step, well, it's right there chatting with me until I get it. So whether you're stuck on a homework problem or just curious about something, ChatGPT has got you covered. It's like having a personal tutor or mentor, but without the awkwardness of actually having to talk to a person. So go ahead, give it a try and see what it can do. Ask it anything and everything. You might be surprised at how much it knows and how well it explains. Alright, next up is Explain, which is pretty much like Chat, but sometimes you might want to dig deeper and get more details. So if you're doing research or just trying to learn more about a topic, Explain has got your back. For instance, let's say I want to know more about solar energy. With Explain, I can get a comprehensive breakdown of how solar panels work, the different types of solar technology out there, and even the latest advancements in the field. Plus, I can ask follow-up questions to clarify anything I don't understand. It's like having a personal researcher who can dig up all the information you need in a snap. And here's the best part. If you're feeling lazy or just need some inspiration, you can also ask Explain to summarize the key points for you. So whether you're looking to brush up on your knowledge or dive deep into a new topic, Explain is the perfect tool for you. So go ahead, ask away, and let Explain guide you to a deeper understanding. And now let's talk about Write. It's basically your go-to solution for creating content quickly and easily. With Write, you can generate all kinds of written content in a flash, from essays and stories to scripts and professional reports. Let's say you need to write an essay on climate change. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use Write to get a solid foundation. In seconds, it'll create an outline for you and then start drafting the essay with all the necessary paragraphs and transitions. And if you want to make any changes or add your own personal touch, you can do that too. Just highlight the text and use the editor to make all the tweaks you need. You can also generate images with a simple command. It uses OpenAI's new ChatGPT-4 and DaVinci and DALL-E models to produce high-quality, relevant images. And if for some reason you aren't happy with the image it generates, you can ask it to create another one. The possibilities are endless. Whether you need to write a blog post, a social media caption, or even a full-on script for a movie, Write has got your back. So go ahead, give it a try and see how easy content creation can be. Okay, now let's talk about Solve. This feature is a game changer when it comes to tackling math problems, logic puzzles, and even technical questions. No matter what you're struggling with, Solve has got your back. Let's take an example. Say you're trying to figure out the integral of a complicated function. Instead of racking your brain for hours, you can just type the problem into Solve and it'll give you the answer in no time. Plus, it'll show you all the steps it took to get there so you can learn from it too. It's like having a personal tutor right there on your screen. So whether you're a student trying to ace your exams or just someone who wants to brush up on their skills, Solve is the perfect tool for you. So go ahead, give it a try and see how easy it can make learning and problem solving. Finally, we have Translate. As the name suggests, this feature allows you to convert text from one language to another effortlessly. Just type in the text you want to translate and voila, it'll appear in the target language in a flash. But that's not all. Translate also comes with a built-in dictionary so you can look up the meaning of words and phrases with ease. So if you rate traveling to a foreign country or just trying to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, Translate is the perfect tool for you. You can use it to break down language barriers and connect with people from all over the world. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. So go ahead, give it a try and see how easy it can make communicating across languages. But wait, there's more. Chat has even more features that might just blow your mind. So get ready to dive deeper into the world of AI and discover all the amazing things Chat can do. Alright, now let's move on to some advanced features. First up, we have plugins. These are tools that allow Chat to connect to external applications and access real-time information. For example, there's a plugin that lets you connect to Wolfram Alpha, a search engine that specializes in providing computational knowledge. With this plugin, you can access a vast amount of information on topics such as mathematics, science, and engineering. Another plugin allows you to browse the internet and access the latest news and information on various topics. This can be especially helpful if you're looking for up-to-date information on a particular subject. Overall, plugins allow Chat to provide more comprehensive and useful responses to your queries. They also allow you to access information that is not stored in Chat's internal knowledge base, making it a more powerful and versatile tool. Next up is Code Interpreter. This feature allows Chat to interpret and execute code snippets, making it easier for developers to work with the model. For example, you can ask Chat to generate code for a specific task, such as creating a simple website or building a mobile app. ChatGPT can then generate the code for you, saving you time and effort. Additionally, Code Interpreter allows you to debug code that you've already written, making it easier to find and fix errors. This can save developers hours of time that would otherwise be spent debugging code manually. Another advanced feature of Chat is its ability to perform sentiment analysis. This feature allows you to determine the emotional tone or sentiment of a piece of text. For example, you can input a customer review or a social media post and Chat will analyze the text to determine whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. This can be helpful for businesses that want to gauge public opinion on a product or service, or for individuals who want to better understand the sentiment of online reviews or feedback. Finally, let's talk about Summarize. This feature allows Chat to generate a summary of a longer piece of text, making it easier for users to digest large amounts of information. For example, you can input a long blog post or an article and Chat will generate a concise summary of the main points. This can be helpful for individuals who want to quickly get up to speed on a topic or for businesses that want to provide summaries of customer reviews or feedback. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few of the awesome features that Chat has to offer. With its ability to chat, explain, write, solve, translate, use plugins, interpret code, analyze sentiment, and summarize text, Chat is truly an all-in-one AI assistant that can help you with just about anything. And the best part is that it's all available at your fingertips. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, I encourage you to give Chat a try and see what it can do for you. Who knows, you might just be surprised at how much it can help you learn, create, and accomplish. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one.